Sorry. Welcome to Solar Smash. I found a video that's something secret about that update. Oh, Papa. That was stupid embarrassing. So, for the first time, I just saw the living planet already. And then second, I just watched the living planet third. On an hour ago, I watched a certain system, a new game mode. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna destroy all the suns.
Which next is solar system. I can kill the sun. Now the second one, the TRAPPIST. I think I'm correct. It's so slow, like freaking slow. While I record. Oh gosh. Okay. The second planet on. Now the third one, the cow system. Not solar system. Cow system. Let's see if it's oh the ads. Hold on.
I think it was Ad's fault. The game is f***ing crash. Give me a sec. Here you go again. Just give me a sec. This is today. Okay, this is today. Let's go! Okay. No! I didn't expect this. I didn't know. But oh my god.
Favorite color. What about the favorite color? This is beautiful. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Oh my god, so tiny.
It's my own. This is my galaxy. Well, continue.
Oh my gosh. The answer. It's making me feel angry. If I record that.
I just picked up a picture. I mean,
Just pick it up. Screenshot.
There we go. Why is the baby doll, baby ads and melon samples here? And there's Roblox ads too. There's Fortnite ads. I know Fortnite, but it kind of looks like, but it's not. Oh, beautiful sound. Why? Well, seriously, this is for. Okay. I love this galaxy. This deserves to be my current galaxies. I love you. I go. I like you. I love your eyes, guys. Your eyes is beautiful. Wait, there's blue ads. There's blue ads. How blue can be ads? Like, bruh. Okay. How can I destroy that weird guy, that beautiful galaxy? This beautiful galaxy. This is beautiful. That galaxy is beautiful. Shrinks. Let me speed up. Okay. It sounds beautiful. It kinda looks like disc. We are back, guys. Bye.